Hello, in this booth we have dialogue with our customers on how they can grow their top line on top of VoLTE. So in the other words, those operators who have deployed VoLTE or are planning to deploy VoLTE are wondering how can they increase revenues on top of that, what else they need to do to grow their top line. So our message here is first of all, introduce new devices. For example, this Apple Watch, it has been proven on many markets that it's a really good business, and some operators have stated that those that we have talked to, that their price points are around $10 per month per subscription, so for the consumers, so they can have the same phone number as their normal subscription. This watch is actually Apple Watch 3 and it supports eSIM. That means that it can receive and make calls from anywhere and you don't have to have your iPhone with you. So on this actual demo, I'll show you a combination of Apple Watch SIM-based device and a number of non-SIM-based devices. So I'll make a call from my watch to this user, and this user here has three devices. He has a laptop with a soft client. It's a WebRTC-based client from our partner called Quobis. This user also has a VoLTE phone, and then he has a smart speaker from Amazon. And now I'll make a call from my Apple Watch to this user, and you will see that his browser will ring, his smartphone will ring, and his Echo device will ring. And then the user will be able to pick up the call on any device and transfer the call from any device to any other device. So here we go. I'm making a call, and now you'll see the browser will pop up ringing, the phone is ringing, and Amazon Echo is ringing. So let me answer on the phone first. So I answer and I mute, and we can have a discussion between on the phone and the watch, and then maybe the user wants to transfer the call to other device. So we have a standard way to do this in VoLTE. So user clicks hold and then buy, and then all the devices will start ringing again. So the user now cannot pick up on the browser, and then we can have a discussion here. And then after a while, maybe the user wants to transfer the call back to for example, to Amazon Echo. So user clicks one button here, it's called the call transfer button, and the call again is transferred to all the other devices. So I'll pick up on Echo now. Echo, pick up.
Incoming call.
So now we have a call between Echo, between Apple Watch and Amazon Echo. And the point here we're making is that those operators that can introduce this experience, one number experience on all types of devices and all types of accesses, they make it easier for their customers, they make it easy for consumers, and the consumers value simplicity. When they have multiple devices, they want to have one same experience on all of these devices, and this is what we can provide from VoLTE, and the operators who do that will be get extra revenues from consumers for this type of simplicity.